What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we're going to do a reaction video for the second runner-up of Season 87 UAAP Cheer Dance Competition. That is Far Eastern University or FEU Cheering Squad. Nako, ang ating defending champion last year ay hindi nga nakuha ang back-to-back this year, but they still made it to finish a podium this year as second runner-up with the theme of Frozen. Yes, ito nga. At diba last year talaga naman napawaw tayo ng kanilang Mario theme routine na talagang ang tumatak sa akin dun is the slow motion. Grabe yung slow motion effect nung na talagang kakaiba at bagong-bago last year na talagang bukod sa entertainment, the routine, yung linis ng performance, may bago silang pinakita that nalamangan nga nilang NU last year. At this year, hindi nila na depend ang kanilang title. But let's see what gone wrong. Charit, bakit naging second runner-up lang at hindi first runner-up, diba? Tingnan natin kung anong meron sa Frozen ng FEU Cheering Squad this year. So, before we proceed, kung bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Ang ganda ng outfit nila. Diba? Ay, dito si Anna agad, oh. Kitang-kita si Anna. Ayun si Elsa. In fairness sa kanila, yung costume na pang cheering. Yung pang Disney princess, ginawang pang cheering. At shoutout kay Talented Pinoys for uploading this video kasi naka-wide angle, guys. Kita natin yung angle. Double twist ba yun? Tumbling na yun. Magaling ang FEU pagdating sa dance routine. Bog. First pyramid. Opening pa lang may pyramid, no? Yun yung angat split, charit. Sa si Anna at si Elsa. Ang taas din. Triple twist ata yun. At may mga pa-costume sila sa likod, guys. Andito nga pala yung pamangking kong isa. Si Marlon. Shoutout to you, Marlon. Medyo wobble lang. Oh my God! Bilaglag. Isa yun. Okay. Bawi. Oops. Nagwawobble pa rin. Ayun. Hold on, guys. Sa opening stunts nila, ang ganda ng transition, ganda ng opening pyramid. Pero medyo nagwobble sila dun sa dulo. No? Parang not once, not twice. So maybe that is one of the factors na may mga deductions. So, parang ang bagal ng routine ng transition this year. Diba? Diyan sila magaling sa dance talaga. Angas. Nakita niyo yun? Slow motion split. Habang nakahiga. Charit. Tingnan natin. Slow motion yung pagbuka, diba? Stumbling. Double twist, triple ata. Ganda rin ng formations nila. Galing. Do you wanna be the snowman? Snowman talaga siya. Alam mo, para siya naging musical theater cheering squad edition. Ganon. Ganda rin ang floor transition. Pero parang ang daming ang napansin ko lang, no, yung transition ng routine nila, ang daming lakad, yung kumbaga naglalakad, hindi siya yung, alam mo yun, yung pasabog na sunod-sunod na transition. Katulad dun sa Mario na hindi mo mapapansin na nagpapalit sila ng transition ng routine. So, parang ganun yung napapansin ko for this year, no? Hindi siya yung sunod-sunod na pasabog. Oops, medyo nag-i-struggle sila doon. Scorpion. Yung lakad nila, parang they're just walking. Hindi, walang, alam mo yun, may kulang doon, guys. I'm so sorry. I love FEU. Gusto ko yun. Oops, yung rewind. Oh my gosh! Nalaglag si Ana, guys. Balikan natin. Ang ganda pa naman nung ano na yun, succession na yun. Ang ganda na yun. Parang frog drop. Ayan o. Nalaglag si Ana. Ang daming ano dun. Wow! Iba yun. Wow! Okay, that one is something new, or the level of difficulty. Nakita niyo yung double stunt sila tapos nagpalit. Diba? Iba yun. Plus that toss back. That pyramid, guys. Ay, ganda mo. Galing talaga ng dance nila, guys. Let it go. Wow! May bago silang slow motion. Bagong slow motion stunts nila, guys. Balikan natin. Ito yung pagtumbling ni Elsa. Nakita niyo, hindi siya mabilis. Nagdahan-dahan. Which is good. Medyo hindi lang masyadong solid, but we see that transition and the difficulty. Hindi ko alam kung nasan na si Marlon dito. Kasi pag magkakamukha talaga silang lahat. Love that. Guys, we must give it to FEU dun sa part na yun. Grabe. I-give natin sa FEU yung pagpapalit ng damit. That was a smooth transition. Grabe. Feels like magic, no? Ang galing! Woo! Bumawi sila dito. Oh my gosh! Bawi. Medyo nakita natin yung struggle sa pyramid na yun, guys. Siguro kung naano nila yun, na perfect nila yun ng walang aberya, I think it could add up more to their scores this year. Kasi ang ganda na bawi na sila sa dulo, guys. But this one is like a highlight pyramid, and very na obvious yung pagkakaroon nila. Diba? Medyo makalat yung dating. But still, na-pull off nila yung last pyramid na yan. Wow! Ayun wobble ulit. Kinabahan ba ang mga defending champion? Ang tumbling ng mga double twist din. Wow! cute nun. Ay, may Olaf sila. Cute. Ay, ang dami nagaganap dun. Eh, oh my God. FEU cheering squad. Grabe. The defending champion. There you have it, guys. That is FEU cheering squad, the defending champion. Pero nagland lang sila sa second runner-up this year. But still, they made it to the podium. Grabe. Ang ganda nung ang ganda nung concept, ang ganda nung routine. Medyo na lang tayo dun sa, medyo maraming wobble, maraming may laglag, diba? Makikita mo talaga, and very obvious kasi, lalo na dito sa wide angle shot na to, nakita natin, especially the highlight pyramid sa dulo, medyo para sa akin, makalat yung yung nangyari, no? Pero na pull off nila, but then the transition, tapos yung transitioning nila, hindi siya very smoothly nangyayari kapag nagpapalit ng part sa stage or sa mat. Hindi siya mabilis. Alam mo yun, nakikita mo na lakad as in normal lakad, just going to this position. So, hindi katulad nung sa Mario, yung transition pati yung change costume nila, mabilis. Hindi mo siya mapapansin kasi you're still watching a different routine. But dito, makikita mo like you're waiting for the next one, and very predictable na magpapalit ng costume. Nakikita, puwera lang dun kay Elsa in the middle, dun sa Let It Go, yung nagpalit siya ng costume. Sobrang ganda nun. Ang ganda nun. I-give natin yun sa FEU. And let's say, kung walang mga laglag, walang masyadong mali dun sa mga transition and the pyramids, will they make it to be the champion this year? In my honest opinion, I will still give it to NU in terms of level of difficulties, the routine itself, plus the costume. Iba yung NU. Siguro they can make it to the first runner-up this year kung malinis yung pagkakagawa ng routine. But championship, medyo mag-step back tayo ng very light. Maybe kung kung gagalingan yung transition. Pero kasi kung ganun yung transition pero malinis yung routine, I think it's still NU will win, and they can made it to be the first runner-up this year. Kasi ang galing din ng UE this year, guys. Sobrang linis ng UE. Pero sa tingin ko, ang lumamang lang sa FEU is because of the concept and also yung level of difficulties din ng ibang stunts nila, as in pati yung dalawang pagpapalit na ganon. So maganda yon. So for FEU siguro medyo tayo doon, matuto tayo doon sa transition. Parang rewatch nyo yung Mario talaga, iba yun iba yung impact, the entertainment value and the production. So tapos yung lang, medyo nagiging parang na daw siya. Nakita ko lang din sa mga comments yung parang stage play na siya, 'di ba? Parang gano'n. But it was a good concept, pero medyo balik tayo, step back tayo dun sa cheer dance kasi magaling ang FEU. Ang strength nila dito talaga is the dance, 'di ba? But overall, nakaka-proud pa rin. And of course, congratulations FEU for making it still to the podium this year. Bawi kayo next year for sure. I know na babawi kayo, and we're so excited to see that. Of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.